So today we will start first chapter of geography, the earth in the solar system. So in this chapter we will discuss about earth and we will also discuss about solar system or solar family. So let's start from celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. That means sun, moon एंड जो भी चीज़ नाइट स्काई में शाइन करते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज सेलेस्टियल बॉडी. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ गैसेस. दे हैव देयर ओन हीट एंड लाइट. सारे सेलेस्टियल बॉडी जो शाइन करते हैं उनके पास उनकी खुद की हीट और लाइट होती है एज दे आर मेड अप ऑफ हॉट गैसेस. You might observe that during the day sun is shining and during the day sun is shining and during the night time stars are active. आपको शायद ऐसा लगता होगा कि दिन में सन आ जाता है और नाइट पे स्टार्स आ जाते हैं, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. सन एंड स्टार दे ऑल रिमेन इन देयर ओन प्लेसेस. एक्चुअली होता क्या है, यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. मान लो आपने शाम के समय में रूम में एक ट्यूबलाइट चालू किया और उसके बाद कुछ कैंडल्स को जला दिए. आपको उस समय कैंडल की रोशनी नहीं समझ में आएगी, बट अगर आप उस ट्यूबलाइट को बंद कर देंगे तब आपको उस रूम में कैंडल की रोशनी समझ में आएगी. This is the case with sun and star. Sun is just like a tube light which is very sharp, and candles are just like star which are little tiny. Constellation. Various patterns formed by different group of star. Constellation क्या होता है? अगर आप रात को देखेंगे नाइट स्काई में तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि स्टार्स अलग अलग पैटर्न्स, अलग अलग शेप बना रहे हैं. Those patterns and shapes are called constellation. One such example is Saptarishi. It is constellation of 7 stars. Pole star, also called North Star, was used in ancient times to determine north direction. पुराने ज़माने में जब डायरेक्शन का पता लगाने के लिए कॉम्पास नहीं हुआ करता था, at that time pole star was used to determine the डायरेक्शन. पोल स्टार जो है वो हमेशा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में रहता है. नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में सबसे ज़्यादा शाइन करने वाले स्टार को पोल स्टार कहा जाता था. सो जो सेलर्स थे, जो शिप में ट्रैवल करते थे, वो पोल स्टार को देखकर डायरेक्शन को डिसाइड करते थे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट प्लैनेट इज. सम सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज डू नॉट हैव देयर ओन हीट एंड लाइट. दे lit up by the light of stars. So planets वो celestial bodies है जिनके पास खुद का हीट और लाइट नहीं है. For example Earth. You can see that Earth receives its heat and light from sun. Now we will discuss about our solar system or solar family. The sun, 8 planets, satellite and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form solar family और solar system. तो हमारे solar system या solar family में कौन कौन आता है? Sun, 8 planets, their satellite and some celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids. Now we will discuss each of our members of solar family in detail. Before that I am giving a small homework. Take page number 3 of chapter 1, figure 1.2. A diagram of solar system is given. This diagram you have to draw in your copy. We will first discuss about head of our solar family, the sun. It is center of solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth. तो सन जो है वो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम का हेड है, सेंटर है, एंड इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ एक्सट्रीमली हॉट गैसेस. बट हमको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगती इसकी. इसका रीज़न ये है, इट इज़ 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. We had seen there are 8 planets in the solar system. This serial is according to their distance from the sun. Means sun के सबसे पास Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. The nearest planet to sun is Mercury, and Earth is in the third number. Now we will come to our own planet, Earth. It is 5th largest planet in size. We had seen from the distance from the sun, it is in the third number, and in matter of science, it is 5th largest. Its shape is described as geoid. Geoid मतलब orange. अगर आपने orange को देखा होगा ध्यान से, orange is flattened from both the end. So that is geoid, and Earth's shape is geoid. It is unique planet in the solar system. Earth को हम unique, सबसे अनोखा planet कहते हैं. The reason is that Earth has water, oxygen, nitrogen, on important thing that make life possible on Earth. And it is believed that Earth is the only planet which has life in it. So Earth is a unique planet. It is also called blue planet. The reason it is called blue planet, Earth covers by water 2/3 और 75%. मतलब अर्थ का 2/3 या 75% हिस्सा पूरा वाटर से भरा हुआ है. वाटर इज ब्लू इन कलर, सो इट अर्थ appears to be blue and it is called blue planet. The moon, it is satellite of Earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now we will discuss about asteroids and meteoroids. They both are almost similar. These are numerous tiny bodies which moves around the sun. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids, these small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. So asteroids are found in the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and meteoroids is found around the sun, moving around the sun. So this chapter is finished. You just read the chapter. After that you write the question answers. The link is given in school website. To go to that website and you write the question answer in your geography copy. We will meet in the next video. Okay, so stay safe and keep yourself healthy. So goodbye students.